Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm heading about an hour away from my house, going for a little drive. Figured along the way we might find some iron in the woods. The 70s were certainly an interesting era for campers. This is pretty cool. So we got an old Ram van, but you got a mix of aluminum, almost like an Airstream. A lot of these companies may or may not exist. A Matador. This is certainly cool to see. I'll walk back further, but it's all thorn bushes. I always like this style of Dodge van. Not sure what year it was last on the road. What a restoration project for someone. Additional information can be found on Tin Can Tourist's website. Now what did we stumble on next? Here's the bumper for it. And the header panel. Inner wheel well. Not much left of this, but still neat to find, just off the side of the road, the old cutlass. No engine, still has a steering column. Curious the story how it got here. Its days are over, but this is what it did look like at one point. We found 2 cars on the roads traveled today. Heading back home now. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.